Welcome to Vigyan Setu Foundation, an effort to bridge science and society. The following presentation has been made by Vigyan Setu Foundation as a part of its commitment towards raising awareness among the society. Thyroid disorder is a silent disease affecting all populations across the geographical boundaries, gender, race, religion, and even species. It has a global presence. To control it, two key essentials are widespread thyroid function testing and identifying iodine deficiency in both developed as well as developing countries. Every year, on 25th May, World Thyroid Day is celebrated with the objectives of 1. Raising awareness about thyroid health, 2. Promoting know-how about advances made in the field of thyroid therapy, 3. Reinforcing the ubiquitous existence of thyroid diseases, 4. Educating masses on prevention programs, and 5. Creating awareness about new methods of treating thyroid diseases. During the week from 25th until 31st May, Vigyan Setu Foundation joined hands with the international fraternity in celebrating Thyroid Awareness Week by releasing 7 presentations, one on each day. It is indeed our endeavor to make everyone know about thyroid. Thyroid gland. It is a small, butterfly-shaped endocrine gland. Endocrine glands are the ones that produce and secrete hormones into the bloodstream. Some other endocrine glands in our body are hypothalamus, pituitary, pineal gland, pancreas, adrenal glands, ovaries, testes, and parathyroid gland. Well, thyroid gland is located on the front at the base of the neck, just below the Adam's apple. Thyroid gland produces hormones which are essential for the growth, neuronal development, reproduction, and regulation of metabolism. In short, these hormones control each and every critical function in the body. From the food we consume, cells of thyroid gland absorb iodine, a micronutrient present in our food. These cells are the only cells that can absorb iodine, and in turn, these cells produce, store, and release hormones. Thyroid hormones so produced are mainly two: T3, also called as triiodothyronine, and T4, also referred to as thyroxine. Any fluctuations in the levels of these hormones are controlled by two other endocrine glands, the hypothalamus and the pituitary. When the levels of T3 and T4 falls below the normal, the pituitary gland releases TSH, or thyroid stimulating hormone, to activate thyroid gland so that it starts producing more amount of T3 and T4 hormones. On the other side, when thyroid gland becomes more active and starts producing high level of T3 and T4 hormones, then pituitary decreases the release of TSH. In fact, the pituitary is signaled by the hypothalamus whether to increase or decrease the release of TSH through TRH, or also known as TSH releasing hormone. Let us understand this pathway of hormonal regulation in the next slide. Here we can see that on receiving negative feedback or inhibition from thyroid gland regarding fluctuating levels of thyroid hormone, the hypothalamus releases TRH for pituitary to release TSH so that thyroid gland maintains the level of T3 and T4 hormones. For knowing more about thyroid, watch our next presentation. Till then, take care. Thank you for joining us in raising awareness about thyroid. Do keep in touch.